Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm from London in the UK, and I have just spent a week at Arkana in the Sacred Valley. Approaching this and coming here, I thought I had an understanding of plant medicine, and my journey here has been revolutionary. The way the facilitators and shamans have led us on this journey of healing, and this beautiful place we're in and have been featured has just been one of the most memorable moments I feel of my life. The ceremonies as they go have been tough and been challenging, but at the same time I feel like I've been supported and nurtured through the things that have come up through this amazing medicine that I've been able to discover here. As well as that, I've had a lot of fun. It's been an enjoyable environment working with the rest of the group that have been going through this process as well. And to say I would return is both a two-sided thing. This place is so beautiful and incredible, but at the same time the work here is so powerful and profound that I have to just sit with it for a while. What's different about me since I got here? I came in with a certain set of intentions. However, Grandmother Ayahuasca sought to present to me different information. I would say, without being too cheesy, the biggest difference is I love myself. I came in here thinking I just wanted some direction, but the biggest difference is that I recognize that the only direction that counts is if I love myself and care about myself. For somebody who's hesitant with approaching ayahuasca, be hesitant. You shouldn't come into ayahuasca thinking I'm going to come here and have a great trip and use psychedelics. You need to treat it with reverence, you need to treat it with respect, and you need to recognize that is this the right timing for me to go into it. It is a powerful medicine, and I would encourage your hesitancy, because your preparation to come here should be treated with the respect the medicine needs. And so I encourage your hesitancy, and I encourage to keep researching into it. And should you wish to pursue it, I recommend Arkana as a very good place to move forward with your discovery and journey within plant medicine. An experience, I would say one of the most beautiful experiences I've had here was the San Pedro ceremony. It was I think it was perfectly summed up by one of the facilitators here, who said if grandmother ayahuasca is the grandmother that slaps you, San Pedro is the grandfather that takes you out for ice cream. It is a loving ceremony, it is a caring ceremony, it is a ceremony of giving and sharing, and I have to say that ceremony, after a very long week, will always sit in my heart in a very special place.